And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Oh no, I love Ron. You would come over and take a video when we just ripped the board apart.
Oh. That thing look good, man.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. What kind of subs are those? Did you got there with one?
Yeah, that's PJs.
What are you running in this?
8 GD700s and a GD12K.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. You got it looking good too on out there.
Let them know what you're running here so they know what you got in here for sure. I got 8 DD712 and a DD12K.
What kind of amp you said it is on there?
A DD12K.
One of them big boys.
I'll fold it down.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that big one, yeah. That's one of them new ones, right? I think that's one of the last ones they came out with, the big one, I think.
Hey Henry, is this 12K a pretty new series? Sorry, I can't. Is this 12K a pretty new series? Yeah.
That's the last one they put out, right?
Yeah, it's the last
yeah,
one.
I'm saying, I remember, yeah, that big one. Yes, sir, man. Let them know where they can find you out on social media, anywhere. You online?
Well, I know my Snapchat's on the back window.
Okay, I'm gonna get that for sure. Yes, sir. We got really good on the phone.
That's what I spent on yesterday.
There you go.
Oh, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Oh, excuse me.
Knock it down.
Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, no problem. This one's Anthony's, that one's mine.
You demo on that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's cool.
Anthony's got, we're still working on it. He's got the 12K, 4 sound cube 5Ks on vocals. We only got half of them playing right now. We still got to add a lot more stuff. He's got four 715s and a 6th order.
You said, y'all did all this, y'all built everything? Oh yeah.
Except for the doors. We had half on the door. He had half on the door.
Yeah. Get a piece of this. That was good. Oh, I think it was. Yeah, y'all got a lot of it.
This was a 6th order, 700 series 12s, 600 watt 12s on an 8K. And
You did 600 watt 12?
Yeah, that's a little 700s. That's a D series. And then
That big sub, 600 watts.
I think it's 6 to 1200.
These things look pretty big. Pretty big to
Not
be a
bad.
Y'all got them clean too, man. That's one thing for sure. Y'all got it looking real good.
Keep trying to go for Cyclone, but I keep popping the windshield. Drive that crazy.
You had to run your boat up through there.
Well,
That come from your
I had it resealed. This whole side leaks because it's splitting the roof up. So it leaked. I had it resealed. It took 3 months. And
Just to get it right.
Again, yeah. Well, no, it split it again.
So you got to go with the wood room to try to.
Either that or double windshield. I gotta figure that out.
You got to change classes once you do all that, though, right?
Well, I don't know if it's Cyclone. I don't know if it EV drag.
Hey, when you hear this type of shit, you know the checks was right.
Yes, sir.
Ain't bad from the little side.
Oh, yeah, man. I don't know about the little Yeah, man. Let them know they can find y'all on social media and everything, man.
It's all WBB. It's my shop.
Okay. Y'all be sure to give them a follow. Check out some of the work, man. Get y'all some stuff done. That was
Yes,
good
sir.
seeing you, bro.
I appreciate you,
Yes,
bro.
sir.
Want the stump walk?
Yeah. YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.